In this video, I'll guide you through how to add inbound rules in EC2 AWS. Whether you're setting up a new application or modifying an existing one, configuring the right inbound rules is crucial for managing network access to your instance. So let's dive in and explore the steps to get this done smoothly. First, you'll need to navigate to the EC2 section of your AWS Management Console. Once logged in, look towards the left-hand sidebar and find the link labeled Instances. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a list of all the EC2 instances you have running. Here, take a moment to identify the specific instance you want to modify. If you have multiple instances, you might need to scroll through to find the right one. Once you've located it, go ahead and select it by clicking on the checkbox next to the instance name. Now, direct your attention to the bottom details panel that appears. You'll find several tabs here, but what you're interested in is the Security tab. Click on it, and you'll see various security details related to your instance. Under the Security Groups section, there will be a link to the security group that is currently attached to your instance. Click on this link, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can manage the security settings. On this new page, look for the Edit Inbound Rules button on the right-hand side. This is your gateway to configuring which traffic is allowed to reach your instance. Once you click this button, you'll be presented with a form where you can define new rules. Adding a new inbound rule is straightforward. You'll need to specify a few key details: the type of protocol, the port range, and the source IP or CIDR range. For example, if you're setting up a web server, you might choose the HTTP protocol, which typically uses port 80, and you might allow traffic from anywhere by specifying 0.0.0.0/0 as the source. Once you've defined the rule, make sure to double-check the details to ensure they are correct. It's crucial to maintain a balance between accessibility and security, so be mindful of who you're allowing access to your instance. After you've added all the necessary rules, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save Rules button at the bottom of the page and click it. This action will apply the new inbound rules to your security group and, consequently, to your EC2 instance. Congratulations, you've successfully added inbound rules to your EC2 instance in AWS. It's a good practice to periodically review these rules to ensure they align with your security requirements and application needs. Don't forget, managing your security settings effectively is key to maintaining a safe and efficient environment. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and insights on managing your AWS resources efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy cloud computing.